So, mag-start na tayo sa operating system types and features, part 1. This is for the introduction. Ooh, ang dami exercises. Okay, proceed tayo sa tasks. Task 1 is know the interface differences. When comparing different versions of Windows, users will need to understand that there are two types of differences, visible and hidden. The visible differences would be something that can be seen, such as desktop or interface. Hidden would be something that is visible, such as performance or a component upgrade that does not directly interact with the user. Okay, to know the interface difference, the different versions of Windows perform. Okay. Gagamitin natin lahat para malaman yung difference. Okay, start with Windows 7. And Windows 7 muna tayo. Ensure all the required devices are powered on. Connect to. Notice that it has been clean interface. The only icon is recycle bin. Yep. Click start. Start menu is displayed. A few items are already pinned. Start menu section. Set applications organized. Click back. Click anywhere. Start menu. Right click on the start. Click anywhere on the desktop to close. Right click on start. Notice that there are only two options for. Yep. Properties. Open. Now we will look at Windows 8. So Windows 8. Notice that the desktop interface is almost the same as Windows 7. Yep. However, there are two key differences. Start button is no longer available. It is replaced with the start charm. Yep. The look of the system tree is not different. Click start charm. Oh, Windows 8. Standard menu, rather Metro UI displayed. To find an application, you can move the cursor on the bottom left side and click the down arrow. Bottom left side down arrow. Yep, this is the apps. Another way to find application is to search yes. Specifically, search is displayed. So Windows 10. However, notice that the desktop is again similar to Windows 7, and 8.1. However, there is a change in the taskbar. Yes, meron ka ng search bar dito. Start charm. Notice that the menu is similar to Windows 7. Logged in user, bottom left of view options. Yep. Use search. Gamit naman tayo ng Windows 7 ulit. Up. Nag-error. Error siya. Reboot natin. Nag-error siya, reboot nyo lang. Bagal. Notice that the result is shown. Windows 7 could search for folders on the local system, as well as on the network shares. Tignan natin mamaya. Tagal mag-open. Hindi ko kaya. Other than visual differences, Windows 7 8.1 and 10 also have differences in the way they handle search. In the task, you will learn to use search across different versions of Windows. Mhm. Tagal mag-boot. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Kakaroon ng improvement. Siyempre. That is technology. Technology. Yup, yup, yup. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Tagal niya mag-boot. Kasi Windows eh. Okay. Click start, then host. Yup. Mhm. Ganun siya. Sa Windows 8, click the search icon. Present the start page is displayed. Click the start charm. Ten. Click the search icon and present at the top right window. Keep the default selection. Click the drop. Click the drop down and observe. Huh? Ah, this one. Mhm. Everywhere. Selection is everywhere. Ah, pwede siya ano kung saan. Saan siya hanapin. Okay. Help. Help and support. Yep. In Windows 10 naman, try daw natin sa Windows 10. Click type bar. This feature is called Cortana. Oh, okay. Cortana is a more advanced search facility compared to previous search facilities that were available in the early. Okay. Mhm. Lalabas si Google. Then select Google. Lalabas siya. Sinearch niya si Google automatically. Okay. Close the Microsoft Edge. Then proceed to the next. In this next, Windows 10 lang daw. Know the key difference between the 32-bit and yup, RAM limitations, software capability. So basically, this is the introduction for the next about sa operating system sa OS natin. Okay. Mag-proceed na lang tayo sa tasks. You can run on okay. Proceed tayo dito sa task. How to verify a 64-bit operating system. Each operating system has to be either a 32-bit or 64-bit operating systems nowadays. Most operating systems are 64-bit. Yep. To verify a 64-bit operating system, perform the following steps. Windows 10. Click the File Explorer. You're back in the File Explorer. Right click on this PC in the left pane and Properties. This PC, right click, Properties. The view basic information about your computer page is displayed. Meron daw tayong 64-bit operating system. Yup, That is right. Close all open windows. Okay. Then makikita kung ilang bit ba yung OS mo. Use the workstation operating system. So, tapos na natin to. Babasa ko na to kanina. Not necessarily every client operating system will fit their requirement. Yup. Next. So, basically, most ano lang to. So, try natin explain. Windows, let's look at some of the pros and cons of the Microsoft Windows OS. There are a larger number of applications available since it's widely used by millions of users. See, for a novice user to navigate, the most recent version of the Windows offers backward compatibility with the older versions. It can run a variety. One disadvantage is there are moderate risk of viruses. Each version of Windows needs to be licensed. Can be prone to crash. Yep. And Apple naman is it's based on Unix, which is inherent security architecture. Linux. It's known for the stability. There are fewer applications. Basically, basahin nyo na lang ito. You can pause the video if you want to read it. Mag-proceed na lang tayo sa page 7 yata yan. Page 7. No, hindi pa. Okay. Screenshot. Yep. Kasi tayo dito sa dito sa device. Yung what do you call this one? Demonstration. Yep. Task 1. Configure time, date, region. How to configure time, date using Windows 10. In the search box, search na naman tayo. Settings dialog box. Notice in the right pane, date and time. Scroll down and additional date. Select additional date. Tapos meron pa. Add addition. Then clock. Set the time and date. Clock and region. What? Yep, clock and region dialog box displayed. Select the set. The time. Section. Change. It's displayed. You can change the date and time here. Yes. So basically, ganun magpalit ng oras sa Windows 10. Change location. Change location sa region. This will automatically change United Kingdom. Click OK. I think automatic yan. You're back. The region window. Close the window. You're now back on the settings window. Left hand region. A couple of error messages will appear. Click OK. Wala naman nag-error. In the country regions section, click the country region drop down and select the United States. In country region or region, yan, nag-prompt na siya. I-okay lang daw natin siya. United States. Okay, click close the window, then proceed to next. Ang next natin is configure a local user account. How to configure a local user account. Ito tayo sa control panel. Control panel. Wait lang natin mag-load kasi nagka-crash. Users account. Okay. Step by step. Displayed below user account. Credentials. No. Click credential manager. Okay. Credential manager. Manage credential displays. Click Windows credential. Yep. Add the window credential. My PC. Click OK. From the bottom left pane. Click user account. Make changes to your user account. Right click the manage user account. Manage user accounts. Yep. Ensure admin is selected. Properties. Palitan natin ng local admin. Click OK. Step 11. Click OK to close the user accounts. Okay. Step 12. You're now on the make changes. Keep this window open. Okay. Configure user account control settings. Some programs are potentially harmful. For example, they can make unwanted changes in the system. These programs can be blocked. User account control prevents a harmful program from making changes to your computer. User account control yung parang nagpa-protect sa computer mo. To configure, step 1. Make changes to your user account page. Click the change user account control settings. The user account control setting dialog display. Drag the level indicator to always notify. Yep. Then click OK. This means you will receive all possible notifications. Nice. You are back on the make changes page. Click on the control panel home link. Tapos, you're now on the adjust your computer settings page. Yup. Keep control panel open for the next exercise. So, open lang doon natin siya. This one, gagamit mo tayo ng Plab DC01. Domain controller tayo. And, Windows 10 pa rin. Okay. Configure remote connectivity. Configuring remote. Magre-remote na tayo. Okay. Click system security. Control panel, system and security. Click system. You're now in the view basic one. From the left pane, click remote settings. Yep. Remote. Have the system properties tag is displayed. Notice that the allow remote connection is selected. Click advance. The remote assistance settings is displayed in the invitation section. Select one lang daw. And select the create invitations. then click OK. 6 hours. In the remote desktop section, click select users. And click remove select. Click remove. You are now removing so connect desktop. Note, let me note, you can also provide authentication for user. Click OK. You're now on the remote tab of the system properties. Keep system properties dialog open. Configure performance settings. System, click advance. Dito. No. Powers dialog is open. Click advanced tab. This one. Then in the performance section, click settings. Settings performance option dialog is displayed. For the best appearance and best appearance. Dito. Appearance. Click the advanced tab and then click change. Advanced. Click change. Deselect the automatically. Initial size 512. Initial size. Maximum is 2048. Click set. Done. C drive tama, C drive okay. May prompt. System dialog, click OK. In the performance options dialog, click OK. And then you should be now in the advanced. Keep the system properties dialog open. Configures. Toggle fire and protection. Configure. Now display siya, select turn on system protection. Lower the max usage level indicator to 20%. Up, yeah. Like. Now click delete to delete and create the restore. Click continue. Deleted successfully. Close. Click on the OK, then OK. It's displayed. Click restart later. Since you had made the changes reading the file, you need to restart the system for the changes to take effect. Okay. You can click restart later. On the view basic information, this one, click the control panel. This one? Yep. You're now on the adjusting. Close the control panel window. Keep all devices that you have powered on in their current state and proceed to the next preview section. So, they're done na sa tapos na tayo sa operating systems part 1 ng operating systems. Bye.